Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and today we will be talking about the Lok Sabha passing the landmark bill on appointment and service conditions of election commissioners. The Lok Sabha today successfully passed the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners appointment, conditions of service and term of office bill of 2023 during its ongoing winter session. The legislation comes in response to a Supreme Court ruling that addressed the absence of a legal framework in India for the appointment of election commissioners. Originally, the bill was introduced in the Rajya Sabha on August 10 this year by Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. It gained momentum following the Apex Court's ruling passed on March 2 this year that emphasized the need for a law governing the appointments to the Election Commission of India and suggested interim appointments based on the decision of a committee comprising the Prime Minister, the Chief Justice of India, and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. However, the legislation passed today encompasses that the President would appoint the CEC and ECs based on the recommendation of a selection committee that would consist of the Prime Minister, a Union Cabinet Minister, and the leader of the opposition or the leader of the largest opposition party in the Lok Sabha. With this, the CJI now stands excluded from the appointment process of the CEC and ECs. The bill received approval from the upper house of the parliament on December 12th, after being faced with vehement protests from opposition parties and former chief election commissioners. The protests were with regards to the provisions that proposed aligning the status of CEC and ECs with that of the Cabinet Secretary. After the protests, the government decided to maintain the status of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners at par with the judges of the Supreme Court. This includes the allowances and service conditions, and also the removal process for the CEC will mirror that of the Supreme Court judges. And the ECs could only be removed from the office with the recommendation of the CEC. Another significant provision involves upgrading the search committee by replacing the Cabinet Secretary with the Law Minister as its head. Additionally, a new clause has been inserted, seeking to safeguard CEC and ECs from court proceedings while carrying out official duties. The passage of this bill marks a pivotal moment in the legislative landscape, with implications for the independence and the effective working of the Election Commission of India. With that, I am Ananya Singh. Thank you for watching Verdictum. Do subscribe to our channel for more such informative content and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal news.